Login loop error on Revolut Business Fix. If you're trying to access your Revolut business account and keep getting stuck in a frustrating login loop, you're not alone. Many business owners experience this exact issue, and most think it's a server glitch. But here's the surprising truth: the problem usually comes from outdated cookies, cached data, or conflicting browser sessions. Let's walk through how to fix it step by step. First, if you're using the Revolut Business web platform, log out of all devices completely. Then clear your browser's cache and cookies. In Chrome, go to Settings, Privacy, and clear browsing data. Make sure cookies and cached images are selected. This removes any saved login tokens that might be causing the loop. If you're on the app, start by closing it fully. On Android, open Settings, Apps, Revolut Business, and tap Force Stop. Then choose Storage and clear cache. On iPhone, simply delete and reinstall the app. This refreshes the app session and removes any corrupted local data. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of Revolut Business. Outdated versions often fail to sync with Revolut's new authentication systems. Go to your App Store or Google Play and update it if needed. Now, check your network connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Some networks, especially public or office ones, block Revolut's secure redirects used for login verification. If you're still stuck, disable password managers or autofill for one login attempt. Manually typing your credentials prevents hidden formatting errors that autofill can introduce. After following these steps, restart your device and try logging in again. In most cases, this completely resolves the issue. So remember, the Revolut Business login loop isn't about your password or account. It's usually just your browser or device storing expired login data. Clear it, refresh it, and you'll be back to managing your business finances seamlessly in minutes.